In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoho desktop apps for Windows, Linux, or Mac. If you're ready to get started with Zoho's suite of productivity tools right on your desktop, follow along and I'll guide you through the process. First up, we'll navigate to our favorite search engine, which is Google in most cases. Open your preferred web browser and head to www.google.com. Once there, type in the search query Zoho Desktop Apps Download. This will bring up a list of relevant results related to Zoho's desktop offerings. Look through the search results and click on the link that says Download Zoho Mail Desktop App. This link should lead you directly to the Zoho Mail Desktop App section on their website. When you arrive at the Zoho Mail Desktop App page, you'll notice there's a distinct focus on offering downloadable versions for 3 different operating systems: Mac, Windows, and Linux. If you're using a Mac, you can concentrate on the option that says Download for Mac. This means that the available software is tailored to work optimally on Mac OS, making it convenient for Mac users to install and run. If you're a Windows user, simply look for the prompt Download for Windows. This version of the app is designed specifically for the Windows operating system, ensuring you have the best user experience without any compatibility issues. Similarly, if you are using Linux, there will be an option labeled as Download for Linux. This ensures you have access to a version that fully supports and runs smoothly on Linux distributions. Once you've identified the correct option for your operating system, simply click on it. Selecting the appropriate download link will initiate the process. It's designed to be straightforward to ensure that anyone can do it without much hassle. After clicking, you'll typically see a pop-up or a prompt to confirm your download. Just proceed by clicking Download again to start the download process. During this process, it's important to be aware of different versions available for different architectures. For instance, if you're downloading for a Mac, you'll have the choice between an ARM version and an Intel version. The distinction here depends on the processor your device uses. Select the one that matches your device specifications. Windows and Linux users may also encounter similar options, so make sure to choose the right one. You should see the download commencing, and depending on your internet speed, it should be complete in just a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Zoho desktop app on your chosen platform. Enjoy the seamless integration and productivity boosts that come with using Zoho's desktop application tailored specifically for your operating system. Happy downloading!